Hello, children. It is time for your English class. We have read and recited a beautiful poem, How Beautiful is the Rain. And today it is time for some creative writing using literary devices. Dear children, you all know about a literary device, rhyming words. Rhyming words are the similar sound words. Now, the words like boom, bang, splash are called sound words that mimic the sounds that they describe. You have read few of these words in this poem as well. These words are called onomatopoeia. An onomatopoeia is a word that imitates or suggests the source of the sound that it makes. For example, all these words. So, onomatopoeia is defined as a word which imitates the natural sounds of a thing. Children, the different sounds of animals are also considered as examples of onomatopoeia. You will recognize these different animals from their sounds very easily. Meow, moo, etc. Onomatopoeia is a figure of speech in which words evoke the actual sound of the thing they refer or they describe. The boom of a firework exploding, the tick-tock of a clock, and the ding-dong of a doorbell are all examples of onomatopoeia. I'm sure you must have seen all these while reading the comic books. These are called onomatopoeia. For instance, saying the gushing stream flows in the forest is a more meaningful description, children, than just saying the stream flows in the forest. Because when you say the gushing stream flows in the forest, the reader is drawn to hear the sound of a gushing stream, which makes the expression more effective. So, let me describe and define onomatopoeia one more time. The naming of a thing or action by a vocal imitation of the sound associated with it, such as boom, bang, etc., is onomatopoeia. Look at this picture. Whisper. For example, the word whisper not only represents the wispy or breathy sound of people talking quietly, but also describes the action of people talking quietly. Now, children, it is time for your homework. And today, in creative writing, I request all of you to make a poem by your own from 6 to 8 lines using literary devices. Number 1, rhyming words, and number 2, onomatopoeia. I'm sure since you all are so creative, you are going to make by your own a beautiful poem using these two literary devices, namely rhyming words and onomatopoeia. So go ahead, children, be creative and write a poem by your own. Thank you so much for dropping by. See you all in the next English class. Till then, take care. Bye bye.